Karthik, and I am going to explain you the following question. I want to find the critical points and classify them as the point of local minima or maxima for the function, and the function is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus 5. I have pre-solved it so that I don't make any mistakes. So the function here is f of x comma y is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 5. Now on finding the partial derivative of this with respect to x, I get del f by del x equal to del x of this whole function will give me 2x minus 2. Similarly, we will find the partial derivative with respect to y for this function, and I will get it as 2y minus 6. To find the critical point, we first have to equate the partial derivative of the function with respect to x equal to 0 and the partial derivative of the function with respect to y equal to 0. Now on equating 2x minus 2 equal to 0, I get x equal to 1, and on equating 2y minus 6 equal to 0, I get y equal to 3. So the critical points a comma b is 1 comma 3. To find whether it is point of maxima or a minima, I will have to find the second derivative of the following function. So here we solve for f of x and f of y. So to find the second derivative, I will do del by del x of del f by del x, that will be del by del x of 2x minus 2, which will give me 2. And similarly, del by del y of del f by del y will give me del by del y of 2y minus 6, that is again 2. Now I find another term, that is del by del y of the function partial derivative of the function with respect to x. So I'll get it as 0. We define a quantity d in the in between the points a comma b as d equal to f of x a comma b into f of y in a comma b minus f of x fxy a comma b whole square. So the second derivative of the function with respect to x is 2, and the second derivative of the function with respect to y is also 2. But here the second the derivative of the function with respect of x with y now, that is del by del y of del f by del x, is 0. So I put it here, the value, and I will get it as 4. Since d is greater than 0 as d is equal to 4, and f of x is greater than 0 as f of x is equal to 2, we can say that the critical points the critical point that we found, which was 1 comma 3, is point of local minima. Thank you.